Saving money as a student can be challenging, but with the right strategies, it's possible to build a solid financial future. Here are some effective tips. Start by creating a budget that outlines your income, such as allowances, part-time jobs, or student loans, alongside other expenses. So, track where your money goes and identify areas that you could cut back. Look for ways to reduce living costs. Consider shared housing or living with roommates to split the rent and utility expenses. Also, take advantage of student discounts on transportation, food, and entertainment, because there is. Automate savings by setting up a dedicated savings account for emergencies and future expenses. Even small regular deposits can add up over time, okay? Now, be mindful of your spending habits, limit dining out, and opt in for cooking at home, which is often cheaper. Use student meal plans if available and shop for groceries wisely. Explore side gigs or freelance work that fits your schedule, allowing you to boost your income. Additionally, consider selling used or unused items, or textbooks online to generate extra cash. Finally, make use of the free campus resources such as the libraries, recreational facilities to minimize additional expenses. All right? Now, by following these strategies, you can effectively save money and build a financial cushion as a student.